Hello boys and girls. This question is about the median, interquartile range, and range of the stem and leaf diagram. So in this question here, we got 20 students and their exam score are shown in the stem and leaf diagram. So to find the median and interquartile range, we try to look at the number 20 works. To find the interquartile range, we divide the data set into 4 equal parts for 20 people, which means that for each part there is 5 people here, and for Q1, Q2, and Q3 is actually shown here. For example, Q1 is actually in between the 5th data and the 6th data. The data is actually their exam score. That's why we have to count our data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and draw a bar here. That's why our Q1 is actually equal to 40x plus 49 divided by 2. And then for the median, which is our Q2, we continue to count 5 more data, which is in between 57 and 60 is our median. And to find our Q3, you may reverse your process, begin with the last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's right, our Q3 is 68. They are in two different rows. Be very careful. And 71. That's why we got 68 plus 71 divided by 2. And based on this, we can list our steps. So for the median, which is our Q2, we got 57 plus 60 divided by 2, which is 58.5. For the interquartile range, we use the Q3 minus our Q1. And then of course we can get the value from our calculator, which is 21. So for part B, you are given the range to be 50. We'll let you find the value of x. X is actually the last data in the stem and leaf diagram. But be very careful with this value, because for the stem and leaf diagram, we have to look at both the stem. The stem here, number X, stands for 80. That's why the number X here actually can be named for 80 plus X. For example, you may try to look at this number 3 here. It got a meaning of 80 plus 3. So for the range, we are talking about the largest data, which is 80 plus x now, and minus 55, which is equal to 50. By solving this equation, we got x to be 5. And by the way, one common mistake is some of the students may put 80 plus x in this format. It's not okay, because mathematically, if you put it in this way, you mean x times x. But here we are talking about 80 plus x. That's why be very careful with the presentation.